Game. Whoever this is.
Kahit sino papatayin?
Please, don't aimbot, please.
Kahit sino papatayin?
Patay si Ate Amy.
Huwag ako. Tito,
I hit Ogs. I hit. Bolon. Pagtulungan mo. Bolon, pagtulungan mo. Itaas. Bolon, huwag ako. Taas. Go, Bolon.
Wag. High ground tayo, Ate Amy. High ground.
Bolon to the right. Follow me. Bolon to the right.
Barilin. Hindi kita binabaril. Wag ako.
Hindi na rin.
Bolon lang.
Hindi na. Wait!
Reynard. I hit Reynard.
Wag kang bababa, Ate Amy. Wag kang bababa.
Ang ina mo pong. Paki ka. Down si Pong.
Nasaan kayo, ha? Nandito kami sa taas. High ground namin to.
Wala.
Tower defense natin, Ate Amy. Uwi na sa taas, Ate Amy. Barilin niya, Ate
Okay,
Amy.
no. Okay, not me.
Wala.
Balay.
Roy, wag ako.
Ano? I'm dead.
Whoever's aiming for me, pack you. Okay. Yung mga naka-on cam, leave it open. I'm recording Discord dun.
Hello.
Oy,
Ayan.
ma'am, open your fucking cam, ma'am.
Ay, sorry.
Oy,
Hello, wait, ano to?
magkagano lang tayo. Tulakin niyo ako, magkagano tayo.
Paano to? Paano to?
Go, here.
Dito. Oh, tawag niyo ako tulak.
Sino pa tayo minamatay? Tulak. Oy!
Walang tulakan.
Tang ina ni Bam, bastos.
guys, I don't understand what's happening.
Wow, JD is fighting pa ha?
Of course.
Grabe naman yun, no?
Okay, press the bomb.
Nako, may target na ako mamaya.
Ayun.
You have the bomb, you have to pass it. Kailangan mo dikitan. Game of tag.
Ayan na. Tita, ibigay mo sa iba yan. Oh no.
Pag tumagal yan, sasabi
Joke lang, Ray.
You can throw it. Baby, you have 50 seconds. 50 seconds to pass it. 50 seconds to pass it.
Hurry up, Ate JD!
Ano na ulit?
Class Tito JD!
Hindi mo show it.
Wala ganun lang.
Nakikit. Yeah. Game of tag to.
What's happening?
Look for someone.
So,
30 seconds, bebe.
Easy win.
Napakalayo.
Fucker.
Spell!
Truce. Motherfucker. Win.
12 seconds, Bella.
Tignan mo.
Fucker, guys.
Ay.
3 seconds. Okay.
Okay nang ina niyo, pas ba?
Nard. Speed boosting Reynard.
What's up, Ray? What's up?
Si Reynard.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Okay. Come on
Hello.
now.
Go guys, huwag kayo mag-
Wala na agad ako. Putang ina.
You guys have to...
What is
Yeah.
delete?
Ito pa yung pinakamahirap. Jesus Christ.
Bam, help. Aimbot.
Guilty to bam.
Patay na ako.
Si Bambang namatay siya from ano.
Reynard won.
Ito pa yung pinakamahirap na last ano.
Wait, no, Reynard was to fight it.
Tignan mo sa Apex movements.
Oh, aba?
Nag-practice to.
Pro.
Ay, you won.
Nanalo ako.
We still won, I still won.
Panalo si Tantan.
Ay, hindi. Oh, no one won.
Ready,
Walang nanalo.
ready. Ready.
Ready.
Walang nanalo.
Redemption. What? Aray!
Isa lang. Guys, tingnan nyo kasi yung taas, no? May green, di ba?
Green! Ba't tinagyan?
Reynard, ready.
70 seconds mag-start.
Reynard,
Bong,
mami.
AJ, Hemi, Reynard,
Ayaw
ready.
mag-green!
Ready. Press E, press E.
Hemi, AJ, click it.
Oh,
Don't
bravo.
need
Press
it.
E,
Kuya
guys.
Ryder, check yung message ni Kuya Pong sa Gen chat.
Red light,
What is
green
this?
light.
Red light, green light.
Yes, I know this. I know this.
Takbo.
Boom! Taka na, Hemi.
Putang ina, bumangga sa akin, tangina mo rin.
Bawal mo tumingin sa ibang lugar.
Ano sila sasabog?
Wala.
Hi, Bam. I love you, Bam.
Uy, banggay niya sila,
Oh, guys.
bangga ako. Kinang ina nito. Traidor.
Sino to?
Hi, Bam.
Oh my God!
Boom! Sino sasabog?
Masaki. Tita Masaki, banggay mo si Ate GT. Bali, banggay mo si Ate GT. Santukan mo.
Walang ganun.
Holy shit. Gagapag na sa doon.
Oh!
Oh, God.
Ayun, patay.
I'm speed boosting this shit.
Oh my God.
Uy, gago, umabot si Kuya.
2 more! Last!
Oh, I'm through.
Alam, mahaba
Uy,
pa
huwag kayo
oras.
manulak. Putang ina nyo.
Wow, nice. Nanunulog.
Gago kalahati agad. Kalahati
Bobo si
namatay. Ang ina mo rin. Bobo ka. Patay ka sa akin.
Okay.
Ay,
By the
gago.
number. By the number. It's by the number. Who's number 1?
No, lul.
Ano number nyo? Number 10 si Boga.
You're number 1, Kuya Ring.
So gago. Patay agad.
Hello?
Your turn. Ikaw naman. Palitan. Kayo naman.
Sampalin mo yan, no?
Bombos!
Bobo.
Bombos!
Update! Fuck you!
Putang ina. Wala na, panalo si...
Uy, nanalo po. Wait lang. We have to watch.
Go, ako.
Go,
Huwag sa kabila.
Go, Alpati!
Oh my God.
Nice!
Nako.
Ayoko na mali ako na sasabihin. Ayoko na baka
Oh my God!
Very good.
Okay, wala pang panalo. Yeah, may leaderboards. Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kayo manulak eh. Tinulak niyo ako kanina eh. Baby,
You
push me.
no, you push me.
Ready?
Karma.
Sorry, baby.
I see. Okay.
Bro, baby, by accident. Sorry.
Yo, sige.
Ilang beses yun, Dad.
No, baby, by accident lang.
Sige lang, Dad.
Ready. Henny, Yuki. Okay.
Hindi, sinadya niya. Nakita ko sinadya niya.
Hindi nga. I would never hit my children.
I saw it in my phone.
Push mo ako.
Motherfucker.
Wait,
Gagi.
Guys,
come.
quiet. Ano to? Ito nga yan.
Oh,
5 rounds.
100 octane?
Okay.
Yes.
5 rounds.
Boden, wow.
Boga talaga. Tangina.
Ito, please.
Oh my God.
I don't want to be with you anymore.
Okay.
Baka ilalabon sa. Baka ilalabon sa.
Nakakasama
Ay,
ko na
ito, you have to hold the hat.
Wait, how do you
Yeah.
push someone?
You have to steal the hat
Can you tell me
kagad.
how do you push someone?
What do we know?
Yung left click, ate.
Where's the hide?
JD.
I know. Yung whoever
ito.
is...
I see you.
Give me that. Akin yan, AJ. Lapit ka dito, AJ. Tara, takbo. Motherfuckers. I have a point now.
Wait, grabe ako sa lowest score. Wala na.
Bye-bye.
I'm gone.
Give that.
Motherfucker ka.
Fuck it, Tom. This is fine. No.
Tita, akin na lang yan.
No, this is fine. Whoever has the lowest score loses, ha? I'm gone.
Nag-ano ka
Ate JD, don't give it to them! Ate Doji, give it to them!
No.
Ayun! Ate JD! Go! Run!
JD, come here.
Run!
Hindi ako makakakit.
Ay, namatay si...
Hindi ako makakakit.
Namatay si...
Hindi ako makakakit.
These people.
Nakatalang yung palintik.
Tumalun.
Mine. I'm gone.
Akin na lang yan.
No, die. Try, mamatay ako.
Ate JD, I like your tactic.
Fine.
Very good tactic.
Dahil na tumigil.
But then steal it now. Get it from my cousin.
Walid.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. Ayaw.
It's yung ako.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Yay!
Ate JD, ang galing. Nice one, guys.
Guys, I have 4
HP.
Ay, the stick.
Some players are tagged.
Wait, I don't understand what?
Kailangan mo paluin. Yeah.
Anong palo ba? Left? Stay away from the stick.
Oh, shit.
Stay away from the
Stay
stick.
away.
I don't know what to do. What stick?
Takbo, B.
Go. Find someone.
Why? Bam! What the fuck is wrong with you? Bam, are you stupid?
How are you stupid?
Who's this? JD, baby, go.
Tsaka si Kate yung hinapon. Balik ka mo, B.
Dito lang. Oy. Cross. May dalawang sa baba. Ay, wag kami.
No! I'm gonna get away! Defend me, please!
We're defending you.
Oh no,
Come on.
oh no.
Akit dito, akit. Okay. Sige, nakabantay kami dalawa dito. Oh, you're gonna die.
Dude, wait! Please, you gotta get it!
Come on,
I don't want it! I don't want.
Takbo, Ate JD! Bahala ka dyan. Takbo, Ate JD, bili!
I think I'm dead.
Takbo.
I think I'm
Takbo
dead.
lang, Ate JD. Huwag ka titingin sa likod.
Oh my god, that was so
Oh shit! A game of tag na naman. Putang ina.
Oh my god.
There you go.
No.
Takbo, Ate JD.
Please, don't give it.
Huwag sa akin. Oh my god, fucker ka. Puntang ina, dahil nasta ako. Easy.
Easy. Whoever's watching.
Motherfucker! Don't be.
Bam, look behind you. Wait, bobo ka rin.
I see you.
Goodbye, Tito.
Boom!
Yes.
Makikita mo hindi ulit.
Why do I have it?
Ay, hindi ulit. No hiding! Go!
Oh my god.
Amalaan, fuckers!
Goodbye, Tito.
Hindi go!
Oh my god.
Go! Nice one, guys. Sige, makabulad kayo dyan. Makabulad kayo dyan.
Shit. Oh no!
Clutch.
Napaka last second.
1v1, 1v1.
1v1, 1v1.
Brothers and sisters.
O nga no, pangalan na ate Bes, bunsong
Wala.
lalaki.
Pipili.
Ay,
Swertihan yan,
oh,
swertihan.
Ito,
Oh my
trust,
God,
trust,
sortihan.
trust.
Di ko gets, wait, di ko gets pa, no?
Pipindot ka, pipili lang kayo dyan. Pipili ka lang dyan.
Pipili ka lang.
Arden,
Pwede ka mag-isip, pwede ka mag-isip,
no,
ate.
baby, here.
Go to
Sa
the
platform,
right.
to your left, to your left, to your left. Yan, then you go up.
Tapos pili
You
ka,
have to
pili
choose.
ka.
Pili ka. Colin.
6, 5,
Okay.
4.
Clear.
Isa kayo, upo.
Bam.
Lucky color, sige, pili.
Lucky color.
Green, di ba? Green, di ba? Green!
Holy shit.
Bam.
Ate
Ano
JD,
yun,
we
ano
can
yun?
do it. We can do it, Ate JD.
Blue, tita, blue.
Helmet.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Mali, yung nag-touch
Basic.
Nice
Basic.
one.
Uy, ilang rounds
Basic.
yun?
JD,
Wala
paano
na,
mo
tapos
nakita sa rooftop?
May nagsabi.
Tangin na panalo sila.
Ang ganda-ganda yan ang tago mo dun eh. Tangin na may nagsumbong.
Nice.
Ready
Yes,
up,
sir.
ready up. Si Masaki nagpaalam, may pinagawa daw sa kanya.
Wait lang, huy, wait lang. Wait lang po. Wait lang.
Sa inventory natin doon, sa tagal natin naglalaro, we have that din.
Sabi na.
Ay, lakam na.
Oh, I have one too. I have a red one.
Ay, guys, meron akong socks.
What?
Oh shit, we started the game.
Congrats.
Okay. Guys, trust na dito ah. No need.
Tangin na.
Ako na.
Oh,
Ayan.
Game of trust.
Yan. Okay, of trust.
To prove my innocence.
Trust everyone.
Oy, Reyna!
Si Reyno! Huli si Reyno! Oy, kita ka doon.
Okay, go.
The next lolo.
Mabuhuli na ako.
Go guys. Kaya mo na yan.
Ay, may setback. No.
Okay. Fuck. Ang ina.
Wait, huwag niyo ako itulak.
Huwag kayo manulak. Huwag kasi kayo manulak.
Okay, go.
Kita
Right.
hindi.
Right.
Excuse me.
Ano?
Uy,
Ikaw muna.
one minute, 20 seconds.
Walang tulakan
Next, Kuya Aga.
Uy, asan
Sige
dyan?
na.
Uy, jump here muna. Here, right.
Ako na muna.
Button, go straight. Oh, ikaw na.
Okay.
Bilang panganay ng...
Ang ina dito malun yung akin.
Wait. Let's next.
Okay.
Wow. Ako confident na mabela.
Alright.
Oh, oh.
And yan, baby,
Button,
yan na.
I think right side. Button, I think right. Button right.
Go, Bodin, ikaw pinakamatanda. Go.
Button right.
Wait.
Straight lang.
Hala, sino yung natira doon? Ala.
Loader si Lucky.
Ano yung si Yuki?
Hala, si Lucky.
Sino si Bella?
Si Ate Heavy tulak natin.
Mas matanda si Tita
Ay,
Kate.
si
Hey,
Tita
stop
Kate.
pushing me.
Nga, dapat yung una.
How do you push, guys? How do you push?
Nananayin mo sa gilid.
How do you push?
Left click.
Left click. Okay. Okay, wait.
Tita, ano ba to? Ay, tita.
Hello. I-kick natin to si Ate JD. Okay guys, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. I don't wanna do this. I hate this. Guys, what if we kita...
Ay, okay na, Pops. Nanonood na sa inyo.
Ano to, patayan ulit?
Yep.
Ay, hindi, patay pala ako. Never mind.
Oh, wait.
Lahat sila andun lang oh.
Oo, patay si Ate Amy.
Ayoko na.
Patay si Ate Amy.
Guys.
Likod mo.
Oh my God.
Takbo ka, Big. Takbo ka, Big.
Baby, to your right, baby, to your right.
Yan, Jet. Nice. Takbo,
Ayoko na. I don't want to play anymore.
Takbo, Demi. Takbo, Demi. Nasa likod mo lang. Takbo lang. Nasa likod mo lang. Nasa likod mo lang. Nasa likod mo lang. Nasa likod mo lang.
Ay.
Ayun na nga.
Boom.
Ayun.
Nice pass, big pass.
Let's go.
Patay sila na bunso.
Ayoko na
Patay sila na
maglaro.
bunso.
Ay, Ate JD, mahal
Baby,
mo.
pasa mo, pasa mo.
Mahal mo.
Baby, si pinatas mo, akit ka. Sige to.
Takit. Yan na si Torito.
Sa baba.
Yun na.
Tita!
Go, 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 go.
Takbo, Lola bunso.
Oh no, Lola Bunso!
Get baby right side.
Ah.
Empty, right try.
Empty. Oh?
Oh, no. Oh,
Let's go.
Laging si Ate GD.
Laging sa...
2 times. Two
yeah, I
times
always have the
finalist.
twig. I always have the bomb.
Ayoko
Ayan.
nito.
Ayoko nito.
Hindi.
Ay, madali lang.
Safe game, safe game.
Wait, anong gagawin ko dito?
Magkakalak ang floor.
Oh shit. Oh
Big.
shit. Diyan ka lang sa gitna, diyan ka lang sa gitna.
Baby!
GD!
Nice one, guys.
Sorry.
No.
So, tatalon ka.
Walang nanalo.
Walang nanalo.
No, walang nanalo.
Namatay lahat.
So,
Oh my
judging
God.
from the list.
Excuse me,
Okay.
Nakakadaman na. Ano, nahanap mo na naman ako.
Diyan ka lang.
Bugbugan yan.
Aray. Oh.
Nahanap agad ako dito mga to.
Hello. Stop hurting me.
Emmy.
No, don't go near me. You're scary.
Bye.
Sige.
Ay, ito.
Dodgeball,
Oh,
pagalingan. Okay.
Dodgeball.
Wait, how is
Okay.
it?
Inverse
Okay.
team.
Ay, mama lang ang
Team.
ipot
Ano
dyan.
Dami.
Team.
Go, okay.
Team blue.
Yes.
Ingat kayo.
May friendly fire. Okay.
Team blue.
Let's go.
Tama ka si Lola Bunso. Bye-bye.
Cheater to, cheater. Si Kuya mo.
Gago, sino tulog sa akin?
What the?
I'm helping.
Ate JD.
Hello.
Sila lang sila.
Oh,
Team blue.
let's go. Let's go.
Team blue. Nice one, Team blue. Nice one. Gago, bidinurog natin. Last one. Goodbye.
Grabe na talaga kayo.
Gago, ang dami.
Team blue. Oh, walang namatay.
Oh my God.
Parang lugi sa bilang.
Wala naman ng stick.
Team blue all the way.
Hello, ano to?
Is that the lady here?
Yung stick.
Oh my God, tita, no. No.
Ah?
Wait, what is this?
Bella.
No.
Si Pong nakatayo lang dito sa isang ladder ah.
Ayoko na.
Si Bam nasa taas lang, sa pinataas.
Ang daya.
Sa may crate. Si Bam ay...
Tita, bakit sa akin?
Bam, diyak lang bam.
Sige. Hindi
I'll
ko
tell
kayo.
you. I'll tell you, Bami. Wala ba, malayo sir po.
Sige, kaya niyan guys. Sabulan ko dyan sa baba.
Ang matatatlo. Akit niyo sa ladder. Baby AJ, dito sa ladder oh.
Go.
Nice.
Huwag kayo matamaan.
Go.
Taas.
Sige, kaya niyan. Akyat. Sige,
Baby sa likod mo. Sino to? Ah, si Miggy pala tong isa oh.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Andiyan na bam, may umaakyat ba?
Bibi. Ayan, nakatayo lang.
Aray!
Ayun na. Oh, wow.
Damn.
Nasa likod ko na yun, oh.
Nanginginig ka kamay ko.
Happy.
What is this?
Basic,
Hold
basic.
hand as long
Hold
as...
on.
Paano malalaman kung may
Sa akin. Yes! Woo! Easy win!
Yung mga tires, pang super jump yan ha. Pwede nyo talunan yan. Dalawa yan. Bumps on top of the wooden platform.
Wala ko dito. Naikot ako.
Naigot ako, putang ina ang bullshit yan.
Go guys.
Go, guys.
Nako, kawawa itong dalawa. Silukad ba mo?
Kaya niyan.
You have to get bomb hero.
Kaya niyan. Sige. Habulan kayo dyan.
Akit muna kayo through the ladders to get bomb.
Habulan kayo. Sige. Very nice.
Tito, Tito, ibigay mo sa akin yun.
Left side. Tumalon left side. Tumalon nyo.
Tito.
All two hats sila sa baba.
Ayun, nakuha ni Amy.
Nar, give that to me.
Sige, magkawin ko.
Tulak ko kayo dyan.
Take me.
Ano kala mo? Pwede lumangoy.
Oh, I was first.
Ako nalag yung camera ko. Pong, ano na? Akin na yung oxy ko! Ayo!
Joke, nagsasightseeing na naman, oh.
Panalo na.
Ah, okay.
No.
Oo nga si Dom.
Basic.
Meron ka ng
200 oxy.
Ang tibay ni Bambam.
Guys, napagod ako.
Yeah, we have one goal
Ayoko
in this
na,
family.
nanginginig na kamay ko.
We need to kill Bam. That's our first goal.
Basic.
We need to eliminate Bam.
Me. I'm just gonna eat.
Alam mo.
Kasi I'm
Alam mo.
hungry.
Glit lang.
Eliminate
But I
Bam.
wanna watch.
Open ko to. Sige. Wait lang. Paano kuhanin to?
Londoyo.
Yeah.
I got a black hair.
Ano?
I got black hair.
Ano?
Black hair.
Ay,
Finish.
ayoko nito.
Parkour.
Anong gagawin dito? Race to the finish?
Parkour.
God.
We need to eliminate Bam.
Hindi.
Racing?
Yung paunahan. 9 lang yung pwede.
Watak mo.
No one's po, ano?
Ay, mama! Ba't may nagtutulak?
Pinaglag ka? Pinatulak siya.
Ay,
I did that.
kung sino yung nagtulak sa akin, mamatay sana.
Demonyo ng tawa mo.
Uy, sino to?
Oh my god, oh no.
Ang hirap nitong ano,
I want
Pegot.
to stop
Putang ina nyo! Sabi dyan! Bom! Pango!
Tabi.
Nabila.
Ang ina naman kasi.
Galing.
Ang ilong tabi.
Ba't ang hirap nitong Pegot? The fuck?
Ang hirap naman ito.
Ang hirap naman ito.
I got the cross!
Ayun na,
Boga!
gago.
Boga! Let's go! Boga! We need to go! Tatlo na eh! Reynard! Come here!
Ubus
Reynard,
sila.
come here!
Ubus.
Reynard, come here, Reynard!
Ubus.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Uy, PBMG, andito ah.
Gaging hirap nun.
Jay.
Ano si MJ?
Yeah, MJ, tara.
Finally, namatay na si Bam.
Nakamute ka, MJ.
Nasa phone po. Hindi po. Manonood lang po ako sa phone.
Bakit?
Go! Ay, Harmony. Ganda naman.
Oh!
Hey.
Happy agad.
Salo, sinukaroon pala.
Bigla siyang lumingon. What the fuck?
Guys.
Nanalo na si Reynard.
Patay.
You have to win.
Dito si...
Red light.
Lo, hindi siya namatay
May
dun.
camera.
This game. Hold this.
Go!
Oh my God, boy pa!
Good.
Go! Oops!
I'm absolutely gonna fuck
Oh my God! Almost.
Diretso mo na.
Boy pa!
Oh my God! Why are you still alive? Go!
Panalo si
Oh my God!
Ethan, I'm gonna beat your fucking ass, Ethan. You're gonna call me Daddy Ethan.
Look, another one who got out of your break. That's why you
fucking-
guys are so competitive over me, huh? You guys getting
You're
angry
gonna,
by
you're
me?
gonna eat my. Oh shit! Never mind. That's
Oh.
wrong. That's wrong, bro. You're.
What? Ano?
Are you in? That's what.
Bro, these guys.
Wala man yan!
Holy fuck! I have too much coffee. Yes.
Sige. 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 Hapusin mo lang.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of Ethan. Okay.
Takot-dating ka.
Okay, guys.
Takot-dating ka.
I'm gonna try hard this game. Holy fuck! I missed. Oh god.
Ay, ate, may binili ako.
Ay, dude, you have to hit the bat of the hill. King of the hill.
No, we have to get
There we go. Game.
What do we do here?
Game. King of the hill. There.
Oh, I see. Don't hit anyone yet.
Don't hit anyone.
Don't hit anyone yet.
I claim my superiority. I claim my superiority.
Okay na.
These people! I hate you guys! Why are you doing this? Oh my god!
I claim my superiority. I claim it.
Can you guys
what?
stop? Let me breathe!
Oh shit!
Go there last.
My...
Mga 1 second. Kapit ka.
This is my hill. I must defend my perimeter.
Fuck this! King of the hill.
Oh my god! I hate these people! Why are we even getting
Alright, fuck you.
My hill.
I don't like this fucking game, bro.
Lo.
This is my hill, my perimeter.
Okay, Bobby.
I must defend my land. I claim the top.
Oh my god! I hate
Alright, ikaw Ethan, get the fuck off. Ako mo Ethan, huwag ka na bumalik.
Get off.
Oh shit.
This time I reclaim my title.
you again!
My hill.
Ako may sumusuntok lang. Patay, Hemi. Patay siya sa
Tabi dyan.
Come on now!
Wala na.
Holy
Goodbye, Kuya Pa!
Wow!
Oh my god!
My hill.
Yeah. At least I'm not dead.
These people.
I must claim superiority.
I'm gonna beat your ass,
Ayaw,
Ethan.
ayun yung ayokong part dito sa club game yung King
Yeah, I
of the
like
Hill,
that.
eh.
I like that tip.
Stop!
Don't fucking
Go. Everyone went quiet bigla.
Damn, come on,
I wanna
Jesus,
push Kate nga. I wanna push Kate eh.
Subukan nyo lang.
Na-push Kate. Oh, sabog.
Man, that's bad.
I claim superiority.
Naglive si Kate.
Go, Tita Sia. Go, Tita Sia. Stop.
Sabog. You're saying sabog.
bitch!
Oo na si ano mo Neo.
I hope you die! I hope you
What
die!
the fuck?
You're gonna beat my ass? Oh, you gotta get your ass beaten first.
I must claim superiority.
What the heck? I moved. Oh my god!
Stop moving.
Visit ka. Ang pakasama ng ugali mo. Hindi ako maaano dyan.
Oh my God.
Invincible na ako.
I must claim superiority.
Bobo nyo dito.
Wala si Bella.
No, I smacked her away.
Aya!
I must claim superiority.
I thought you're gonna beat me up, Gambit.
Sauce stage.
It's me, Sia, and Rina. Okay.
What's your lucky color?
Who's first? Who's first? Oh, Reynard.
What's your lucky color?
Who's red, Reynard?
I hope you die.
Blue ko sa Elmed ka.
Okay.
Huwag nga, Blue.
Oh, I'm last. Go, Sia.
By the way, pink to your girl. Pink.
Come on.
What's your
Bounce back. Oh, shit.
She good. She good. She good.
Red. Red. You're a monster hunter. Press red. Diba?
Ah, that's nice.
Red
Come on,
ulit, red
Tita
ulit.
Sia.
Blue, green,
Come on, Tita
harmony.
Sia.
Sia's dead. Sia's dead.
Green.
Green bad.
Green.
Green sabog
Oh
yan.
my god.
You're a green
Oh my
green
God.
sides green, diba?
Oh.
No, apply ka na.
It is pink. See?
Patay ka na, Lo.
It's you. Harmony.
Sayang pa rin.
Pink.
Ang solid.
You are dead. Boom.
You're alive.
Ang daya.
I'm gonna try hard. Fuck you, Ethan.
GG's.
Wait,
All me.
wait. That's not Trisha.
Ang daya.
Ikaw na dapat yung magpe-press.
Hindi. Yung game pinili City kasi yun.
I'm back.
They wanted me to win. I was the chosen one.
Bitch.
Ba't na lang tayo?
Ang inang game daw.
Oh my god.
Oh, nandito na pala si Miggy. Where's Miggy?
Mickey, come.
Nandito siya,
Gonna
nandiyan na
teach
siya.
you.
Asan si
Yung
Pop?
dem.
Oo, nawala si Bella kasi kinailangan
Hello.
Oh,
Okay, what
King
is
of the
this?
Hill again.
Color climb.
Again?
I must claim my perimeter. My perimeter is me.
Here we go again. Hey.
Let's get to the top.
Itong back
No.
Speak up.
Hit each other.
Throw hands.
No.
Don't let them win.
Sorry, Miggy.
Ayaw.
My perimeter is me. I claim superiority.
What the fuck? Ang hirap umakyat naman dito. Puka na yun na.
Move, Remy. My perimeter is me.
Stop it!
What the fuck? Umakyat!
My perimeter is me.
Oh my god.
Fuck this parkour, man. Ang hassle.
Tungin na.
Kuya Rai, I will make your living life hell.
Oh, I forgot. Minute ko nga pala si Gambit noon. I forgot. Wait lang.
Bitch ass, Reynard.
I fucking see that. Ay, get the fuck out!
Fuck off, Gambit. My perimeter is me.
Fuck you, Reinhardt. Oh, ito, Kuya Rai. Oh, shit, never mind. Oh, shit, ayan, no. Oh! Oh, fuck! Hindi ko makakyat. Hindi ko makita kung saan makakyat.
Akyat ka lang.
Shit!
Akyat ka lang. Ate Amy. Ate Amy.
Ito, siyang gala ka rin. Oray.
Aray ko.
Ay, fucking shit, bro.
Fucking move.
I can parkour.
Kaya nyo yan?
Remy, get out. You don't belong here.
Uy!
What you talking about, Gambit, boy? What a bitch, boy? My perimeter is me.
Fuck you. You see that? I'm on top. Oh, fuck. Okay, GG. I win, by the way. Oh, boy, si Reinhardt. Okay. I win.
Who gets a stick?
I will beat him.
Tingnan kami ni Bambam.
Hindi siya.
Ano?
Ano? Gusto mo?
Oh, akin is stick. Watch this. Watch how toxic I can
Aray
be.
ko.
That stick.
High grounds, guys. High grounds.
Sabi ka. Aray! Tangin na mo. Hindi. Press time may skick. Gunak mo.
Ipit ako. Ayaw mo kaya dat. Ayaw mo kaya dat.
Bitch!
Ba't kayo nagpapaluan ng stick? You both have the stick.
I know. Ito po.
Ito nag-up.
Bye-bye.
Ginatulog ako sa tubig.
Ano siya? Ano siya? Oh.
Deserve. Aray ko. Ako din.
Disin. O sige, bigyan mo sa akin, Pam. Bitch.
Ano.
Bang, ang ipis ni Tita Sia.
Oh, go.
Uy, what the fuck? You can have it back, Sia. Why are you giving it to me? Oh no.
Fallen Angel.
The fallen angel has arrived. No, Bam. Bitaw siya.
Gambit.
Michael.
Sige.
What year, boy?
Fuck you, Bam. Chasing ka?
Sino yung pinalo ko sa topic? Yung
Okay.
This is the final round na pala for the Oxy.
Who's my teammates?
Ah, shit!
Kuya and
It's it's
3v3.
Oh my
Kaya
god.
nakasama ko pa si Gabit!
Boy, ba siya, TV?
Uy, bakit ganon?
Patay agad. Eh, I was get meme doon. Oh.
Oh my god, this guys.
We show no mercy. My pa. Ito na nga. Mag-aalaman.
Oh my god.
Asan si Bong?
Push.
Who's here? Wait lang. Yung masisira yung flare. That's on me.
Imagine. Yung tinatawag na yun yung footsteps.
Patay si Lucky.
I stand on top.
Inarmagan sila.
Inarma nga sila. Tumulan sa nasisira.
My perimeter is me. It's me again na. Nice.
Nanalo ng 12 million, no?
Libre ka nga, Jollibee.
Inventory.
Paano yung inventory? Ay.
And then
Dude, I got the chanclas equipped. Loma feet.
Loray, ano kailangan bilhin dun? RS? Hindi kailangan ng bagong Steam o kailangan?
What's your problem? No.
Wait lang, bakit 10 na lang tayo? Sino na wala?
Okay.
Wait lang, bakit 10 lang tayo? Sino na wala? Sino isa?
I need to take a bath. Balik ako mga 6. Datres.
Oh my god.
Labas lang ako sa dito. Yung mga nanalo ng Oxy, ko mamaya.
Same.
Gago!
Gago.
That.
Sino man yung Yuki?
Si Lucky.
Sino man yung Yuki?
I'm coming
Who was
for
that?
your ass, Rai.
Who's that?
That was Lucky.
Si Lucky?
Si Lucky.
Whoever wanna push me, don't, please. Fuck you.
Tangina mo, Lucky. Bobo.
Tita ko agad tinulak.
There's a random body part here.
Kawawa si Tito Oga. Pwede pala manuntok.
You have to jump over that.
Pwede pala yun manuntok kahit nakastop.
Stop.
Tinry ko lang eh.
Tangina mo, ako pa yung ginawa mong subject.
Oh.
Ikaw nasa harap ko eh, sorry.
Tag.
Oh my
Ako?
god, here we go.
Bakit Tito Ogs, ba't parang ikaw yung nasa
Okay, bibigyan ko kayo
red
tips.
green
Ganun
light?
lang kayo sa second. Okay, no.
Go.
No man, fuck you.
Go. Go. Go.
Go, Tid.
Go. Ayun. Left. Tulak lang.
Okay.
Tama yung pinuntahan niya.
Baby, it actually nobody pushed you. Hindi ka nakapag-stop.
Hindi, wala Hindi, nag-push sa'yo. I swear. Ako rin nakatingin rin ako. Wala nag-push sa'yo.
Ilang ba ako dito?
1v1.
Uy, 1v1.
Next time, magkaalaman.
Naalala mo yung Paraiso days, I will beat you.
Mid-roll sabay sleep call.
Mid-roll. Gago dahil natalon ako.
Patay si Tito Bam. Anduga naka-aimbot.
Uy!
Aroy!
Bam. Quiet ka muna.
Ito na.
Look at my fucking technique. Sit down, Reinhardt. Okay, oo nga pala Kuya Tres. Alam mo kung bakit ka namatay? I push you.
Aso nga.
Oh, wait, you are? Sino ba yung Fujin?
Tito Ogs, leave me alone, okay?
Leave me alone.
You started it. You started the war.
Hala.
I don't stop. Anong next game Among Us?
Yep.
Among Us.
Yes, mababawasan.
Among Us.
How about Goose Goose?
Hindi, pwede naman ata sa
Gus-gus
cellphone.
nga.
Marami.
Wala din ako.
Sino ba?
Alam ko,
I don't have Among Us.
Shit! Ba't nasa harap
Mami.
ako?
Gago ako nga dun eh.
Gusto.
Sia, defend me. Saluhin mo yung bola.
Wow! So amazing!
Sabog. Down 1. Down 2.
Oh my god. Turn it off, Bam.
Down 2.
Avenge us.
Anong gawin?
Uy! Wala, natamaan ako lang.
Down 3.
Bam, nakita mo yan? Last minute.
Pati ulo gumagalaw. Down 3.
Gumagalaw
pare. Game. Pati ulo mo pare, gumagalaw pare ah.
Uy, hindi ako magalaw.
Ano to?
Ay, must wait 5 seconds.
Gago.
hello, nag-abalan sila. Sa taas.
Oh my god,
Miggy.
someone's hiding.
Go, Tid. Katid.
Someone's hiding.
Aray!
Nakagas ka, Kor.
Natumba po eh.
Ayun ka dyan, nakit ka dyan, baby. Dun sa kabila.
Tid.
Behind you.
Ano, Tid. Tangkin na tubig, Tid.
I know. Run, Tito Sia. Run!
Paglasan na. Alaka dito siya.
Namatay ako doon.
Namatay siya, tumalon.
Go, pass it though.
Mamatay ka.
Lala.
Uy, naglag ako. Hello? Naglag na ako. Uy,
No,
hindi.
you still there.
I see.
Reynard versus
Ay.
Foxy.
Ito na naman.
Eto na.
Tantan!
Si Tantan rin game time ah.
You guys need to finish
Rin
it.
game. We know this shit. Lock in.
Ano ba yan?
Monster Hunter, boy.
Wala.
Monster Hunter.
I'm low, G. I'm low.
I'm low.
Hunter. Come on now, Sprouse.
Rock lynch mo. Untog mo, boy. Untog mo.
Untog mo, boy.
Kahit lang.
Unti na lang.
Come on, Monster Hunters.
Ito lang.
Nice one.
Oh, shit.
Let's go.
Down to my last 3 health, boy.
You can do it.
Oh.
Hey.
Isa na lang.
Last
Come on
hit.
now, come on now. One more. Hey.
I stand on top! Bro, you don't need no credits. You're dead. Second place.
I did all the
Down, bro.
fucking damage, dumbass.
Sit
You didn't do
down.
shit, bro.
Who won?
All you have to do is
Who
fucking
won?
dodge and everything.
Sorry.
You didn't even do shit, nigga.
Who won? All I see in the
Shut the
screen is
fuck up,
my
bitch
name,
ass nigga.
bitch. 3 in the fucking
didn't do
row.
shit,
Keep
nigga.
up. Keep
You
up.
didn't do
3 in a
shit,
row.
nigga. You didn't do shit,
nah.
nigga.
3 in a row. X.
When dead man not tells Reinhardt, shut the fuck up, nigga. I'll fucking slap you in fucking pussy shatter, bro.
Wait, makiat sis. Ay, hindi. She's playing with the boyfriend pala.
You did.
I will fucking slap you in tres.
3 in a row.
Stop blazing him. Stop blazing him.
Alam si Kurt
Are
may
you
manulak ah.
madudulas in here?
Yeah.
Siya, come here. Doon sa may bato.
Hey,
Okay,
where
naman
really
bakit dapat may trust issues ako sa'yo.
You can move here. What the fuck?
Tito mo.
What the fuck? Tol, di lumingon pa.
Otherwise, everyone is so big. There's a Fox na
Sabi na
family oh. Sali ka gusto mo?
Nakatingin si Tito Mom sa akin.
Who the fuck was behind me? Who's behind me?
Dati lang sinabay ko na sinuunod sa pagkamatay.
Tang ina mo. Sabi ko na ba eh. Kita ba ako dito
Oh
behind us?
my god.
Yes.
Oh, you was about to push me, huh? You was about to push me, huh?
Let's go, Miggy.
Ship then C.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, wait lang. What?
Next.
What the fuck? Next.
Yo, guys, shut the fuck up. Stop fucking talking. You guys are fucking dead. Shut the fuck up, bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. You talk to me, bitch. Talk to me when you already want, bitch.
Tangin na mo, Ethan. Shut the fuck up.
Talk to me when you guys want.
Oh, tell you when we won, huh? Fuck you. Suck my dick. Choke.
What? Whoa, choke.
Wait, what are you hearing?
Bam, nakamit ka.
Ay,
sorry.
Choke.
Tito Mom, may pinaplano eh. Tingin sa akin.
Matay sila kaya agad.
Tinulak din kita, hindi kita matay.
Hindi sa nagad kayo naman tayo yung tutulakin ko sana ako, no?
Oh my god. I never won. Yeah.
Kabisado ko pa rin yung time dito. Ang puta.
Upsray, don't look at me like that. No!
Don't look at me like that, abuta.
55 explode ka na. Never mind. I lied.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Hindi ako yun.
Hi, Bam.
Bro, move, bro. Oh my god.
Mom
Hey!
is dead.
Stop pushing me!
Nandugan ni Gambit, nag-speed boost si Gambit.
I tried.
Boost? What? Wait, what?
Next try!
Legit, nahabol niya si Tito Bam dahil sa speed
Oh
boost.
my god, the fuck?
Putol pogi ni Maynard.
Me, you're dead, Mom.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be.
Ang pogi ni Maynard.
Hindi mo siya mahabol, nag-speed boost yan.
Yeah, why you so fast? Dang!
Dito siya, nakaka-crouch lang oh.
Bobo.
Please, Gambit.
I choke. Fuck.
It was to 7. Ang dami natin ng tago. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Ang dami nga nakatago.
Ito na naman.
Stupid ass.
Game.
Hip hop saray.
Oh my god.
Pa-start pala, nakatingin na sa akin.
Gagon dami pa mamamatay ka lahat doon.
Go. Mouse.
Retret.
Miggy,
What?
si
Scared.
tulak
lang.
na.
Sobra.
Who the fuck is Oh.
To the right, Miggy, to the right. Tulak mo si Mami Miggy.
Hindi na, baby. Like mo ah.
Ano ba ako ga?
Right.
Let's not
You
kill
have less than a minute, You have less
Me,
than a
trust
minute.
me, it's left. Me, trust me, it's left.
Why are you telling your mom to jump?
See, it's not left.
Ayun.
Don't trust your kid.
To the left.
40 seconds.
Oh, why
Nakuha
me?
ko kanina.
Uy.
To the left.
Okay, straight.
Oh, ikaw naman, Oga.
Ikaw pinakamaganda.
Actually, Sia.
Amazing ah!
Oh,
Last one left.
Oga.
Oh my god.
Nice. Let's go, me.
Fucking nakamalas tayo, bitch.
So we're gonna like
1v1.
Migi, ah.
1v1, 1v1.
Migi, nakamute ka.
Oo, di.
Ayun.
I hope I just
Touchball.
like
Magkapatid.
Hello.
Oh, pagalingan to, pagalingan to.
Nanduga malapit kay Titogs yung snowball.
Kasi mo, bang!
Uy, galaw agad. Galaw.
Boom!
Oy!
Ito lang. Daya.
Nice. Emmy.
Huwag ka magpa. Letter E. Ayun, sabog.
Kasi Oga Bog.
Talon lang ng talon.
Hindi na ba tayo naglalaro, Mi? Di mo pala alam bumato?
Hey.
Ayaw ka nga, Titogs, gawin mo din yun.
Ano yan?
Yung celebration.
Balik.
I hate.
Ano nakuha ko?
Tangin na hide si Kaputa
Box.
palagi sa Reinhardt.
Walang box. Wala ako nakuha ng box.
We
Inventory.
should try to do
Dadang
prop and seek
nakakuha.
next time.
Propensik, yes, propensik.
Yes.
Now, kasi konti
Wala
lang din
mo
tayo.
mas.
Download yung mamaya sa Steam,
Ano ba kayo, guys?
Is it like a
Please.
free oh?
Ngayon na yung 4 download.
Yeah.
Prop and sick.
Prop and pushing.
Be respectful, no pushing,
No pushing.
okay?
Paano to ba?
Be respectful. Be respectful, okay? Be respectful. Gago. Ah!
You have to get on top! You have to get on top! You have to go on top! You have to go on top! Kasi magpapatong-patong yan.
Alright.
Puta yun na.
Holy shit.
Otos, ano na yun ng game? Okay.
Don't push!
I'm dead.
You have to get on top! You have to someone get on top!
Why? Why are you fucking doing it? Guys,
Sino ba na?
Oga, let's get on top!
Gago, muntik din doon.
Oh my god. Oh.
Tangina, tatlong tao pumapalo sa akin ng puta. Ginawa ko sa inyo.
Ito na. Tangin ito yung
What
dami.
is this?
Prop and seek tayo.
Tres,
Oh.
tayong dalawa pag nagano ako isa sa atin ha.
Ah, sige.
Eh, ikaw muna.
Oh, Renan.
By
Ako
the way,
muna, dude. Ako muna.
Hindi, think
Where's
it.
like the hat?
Wait lang. Dude. Pasa ko
How
muna
do
sa'yo.
I go
Hit
up?
me.
Gago, ba't nyo ko yun? Red pa ako. Wait lang, red pa ako.
Si Pops Ray nakatago lang sa edge.
Oh yeah.
Green container.
Red pa. Sige, kunin mo muna.
Wait lang.
Blue
Let's go.
container. Green container.
Ah,
Siguro
Green
yun sa
container
ay.
nakatago
Dito,
si
kay Gambit oh.
Pops Ray.
Or green container.
That's Mami.
Tres.
Huh?
I'm here.
That's not me. That's Gambit.
Si Gambit to?
Below you,
Ikaw,
Reynard.
ako yung mahabol sa'yo.
Ah, wait. Oh, gago. Kala ko. Oh.
Red pa ako.
wait lang.
Di, red pa ako.
Ay, weak na no? Grabe ba?
Naka 200 na sila oh. You have to look for them.
Reynard, nasa
Galing
position
nila
mo.
eh.
Look to the right. To the left, your left.
Left? My left?
Yan.
Behind you, Reynard. To the edge.
Mamatay
Nandito sila.
Gago.
Eme, tsaka si Tita Sia nagtutulungan.
Mi, andyan na, Mi.
Oh my god.
Who won? Isa lang nanalo.
Oh, nanalo si Ate Hemi. Wow.
I won! It was like 300 plus.
Ang ina, ang layo nung kay
Ang laki.
Remy.
Last game, please.
Sige.
Last one, last.
Nag-i-install pa yun.
Ay, sige, wait lang. Hindi na muna ako sasali kasi I need to download it lang by itself.
Ano po
Alright.
yung download?
Anong game po? Prop and seek, baby.
Prop and seek? Prop and seek? Prop stock. Are we in RP?
Welcome to my domain.
John shot.
Wait, we gonna do another one?
Welcome to my domain.
Yes. Last one. Download mo na Ate Hemi. Yung
Saan? Di ko makita.
Habang naglalaro.
Saan? Di
Two
ko makita.
hunters lang. Ay, 3.
Bakit kuya hindi nagpapakita sa akin?
Wala sa akin.
See?
Ano? Is it props?
Prop and seek.
Prop and seek.
Props.
Wala po sa akin. Sa Steam?
Ray. Alam mo yung ginawa kong spelling? Prop and sick. Yung sick, S-I-C-K.
May sakit.
Titogs, don't look at me like that.
What game is this? What game was this?
Ano to?
Dito tong...
What is this? What's number?
Prop and seek is no longer
No longer available on
store.